Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from NEET 2013. An explosion breaks a rock into three parts in a horizontal plane. Two of them go off at right angle to each other. The first part of mass 1 kg moves with a speed of 12 meter per second and second part of mass 2 kg moves with 8 meter per second. If the third part flies off with a 4 meter per second speed, then its mass will be. So initially let this is the a rock whose initial velocity is 0 and it break down three parted in which two are moving with a different velocity at right angle. So this is 1 kilogram and this is 2 kilogram object. Let another object third part is of m kilogram. Since it is I cap unit vector in x direction and this is j cap in y direction. So initial momentum of rock is 0 and final momentum is after explosion. This is velocity of this is 12 meter per second and it's 8 meter per second. So mv, m is 1, v is 12 I cap plus it is m is 2 and v is 8 j cap and mass of this third part is m and velocity is given to us 4 meter per second. So multiplying by 4 meter per second, its direction is not given, that is equal to 0. Final momentum is this. So P initial equal to P final by momentum conservation law. Putting these 0, 12 I cap plus 16 j cap plus 4m equal to 0. So dividing by 4 all three parts, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16 plus m equal to 0. So m is here 3 I cap minus 4 j cap. Now taking mode of m, that is 3 square plus 4 square and this is 9 plus 16, it is 25. So m equal to 5 kg. So m is equal to 5 kg. Mass of the third part is 5 kg, which is found in option D. So option D is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.